Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. So today's video is a little bit different. I have a mess on my hands. Today's Monday. It's normally my filming day, but my kitchen looks a mess and I really just need to get it cleaned up, or it's gonna look like this all day because I'm gonna be filming all morning. And so I just felt like if I took 10 minutes and did some speed cleaning, I could get it put back together. We left kind of in a hurry this morning, so there's dishes out. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but all the stuff from like the weekend kind of collects. So I have like stuff that we bought at Costco. I have a pencil sharpener. I'm gonna take the time, speed clean, give myself 10 minutes, and I'm gonna give you my tips along the way of how I get it done in just 10 minutes. I'm gonna focus, I'm not going to stop, and we'll see if I can get it done. Okay, you guys, so that was right at 10 minutes. I think I did quite a bit for 10 minutes. Did I get to everything that I wanted to get to? No, I would still like to sweep the floors. I would like to clean off my table, but I essentially cleaned off all my countertops, put things away. Some of the stuff that I took over there, I put on the stairs to take upstairs. A lot of the stuff that went out to my laundry room, that stuff that I need to get out of the house, I took some stuff out to the garage. But you know, I think that our kitchens are just a dumping ground and that's where everything lands. So you just have to stop and go through it, especially my area over by my refrigerator. That is a major dumping ground for us. So I have to clean that frequently. But now that I've put the 10 minutes in, now I can decide, okay, I'm gonna spend 5 more minutes and I'm gonna sweep the floor. Now that I got that major motivation done, or if I'm done, I know that I can walk by this room and it looks great and I won't have to worry about it. And if somebody came over to my house, I would not be sad to let them in and see my kitchen. So I hope I gave you motivation to speed clean one area of your house. Pick an area, set your timer for 10 minutes and just do as much as you can. When the timer's up, you know, give yourself that time and go do something else. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you missed our last video, I'm gonna link it here for you and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.